Everyone already knows who Near is, but just for the sake of it, tell us a little bit about Near and what you guys are doing right now. Folks, we are live from TOKEN2049. Matt Zayab here from cryptonews.com, and I'm super pumped to have one and only Illia, no last name. He is going to be as famous as Cher or Madonna. Illia, the co-founder of Near. Illia, pumped to be spending some time with you today, my friend. Everyone already knows who Near is, but just for the sake of it, tell us a little bit about Near and what you guys are doing right now.
Yeah, so Near started as like, hey, we need to solve the fundamental problem of scalability for blockchain, ease of use. But kind of as we evolved, we're really talking about how do we bring self-sovereignty to everyone? How do we have everyone control their assets, data, and power governance? And so if you put all these pieces together, we need a new operating system. We need a new concept and approach. It combines Web3, it combines AI, it combines private data, it combines a lot of pieces. That's what really Near ecosystem been building out for past years, is actually all of these components coming together to you. And so as we kind of evolve, and we'll talk about some of this, you'll see a lot more interesting things really fitting together into this overall operating system concept.
You mentioned AI. AI is incredibly hot, sexy right now, very trendy. When people think about AI and crypto, Near often comes front of mind. How exactly are you guys implementing and utilizing AI at Near?
Yeah, so for context, for people who don't know, I'm a co-author on a paper that introduced Transformers, which is technology that powers ChatGPT, Midjourney, and everything. It's a T in GPT. And then Near actually started as an AI company. So we originally were Near AI. We were teaching machines to code, pretty much transforming how you interact with compute. And now we needed blockchain as a way to have ownership, have identity, have payments, have all this collaborative effort. And now that we have a scalable blockchain, we are pretty much had few projects which have been building already on Near, as well as internally we're going to be building out more capabilities, and we'll learn more in a few weeks. But there's a data component where you have data labeling, crowdsourcing. Near Crowd has been doing data labeling for 3 years, a couple thousand people working every day, lots of really kind of gold data there. There's a data contribution and kind of collection network for rewarding creators. There's a lot of infrastructures that have been built on top of Near as well, from compute marketplaces, inference, as well as really how to facilitate kind of contribution and training. And now even more interesting, there's applications, right? So we have now folks kind of combining AI to access Web3. So we have Minbase, for example, done a bunch of stuff. We have folks like Cosmos, which are doing private inference on your device, on your private data, so it doesn't leak and doesn't leave your device. We have really cool applications which are combining DeFi and chain abstraction, ability to transact across different chains. So a lot of things kind of, exploding right now on Near ecosystem with these use cases, as well as, I mentioned like we're going to be talking more about like broader vision of this operating system and user-owned AI, which really continue building up the infrastructure that's needed to achieve kind of this global vision.
I love that. Illia, last question here, my friend. Everyone in crypto says you are the Web3/AI godfather. Do you like that title or not?
I'm about Godfather. I'm more about like actually builder, and so like what I'm striving for is whatever my achievement's been so far, I want to top them off with whatever we build next. So I'm just excited for what we can actually bring together as time goes, and like again, stay tuned for more interesting announcements and things coming out of Near.
I love that. Illia from Near,